Welcome to What's Going On. I'm Edward Alexander. In today's episode we're gonna have a look at a really unique UFO video. This is some of the best footage ever captured of a UFO. We're about to see a UFO followed by two military-type jet airplanes. Could this be the proof of alien beings visiting Earth and working in secret with our governments? Or could this be classified technology kept away from us by those in power? You be the judge, so have a look and tell us what's going on. So what did we just see? Is this real alien beings visiting Earth or a top secret military project? Let us know and comment below the video. And remember, if you got some incredible footage, then do let us know. Contact us in this email and maybe we will host your video in a coming episode. See you next time. I'm Edward Alexander and you are watching What's Going On.